Hello everyone, welcome back to V's Blessed Life. I hope you're all doing well. I'm excellent. I just wanted to share a peaceful moment from my visit to Bushy Park in Hampton. It's such a beautiful and calming place with open spaces, nature all around, and the perfect atmosphere to unwind. We were so lucky to capture some stunning red deer and fallow deer, and also a lovely group of Canada geese. It was such a peaceful and refreshing sight. I really enjoy coming here for quiet walks, just to clear my mind and reconnect with nature. Moments like this are so special. I hope you enjoyed this little glimpse with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to V's Blessed Life. See you in my next vlog. Bye.